Hello, let's read Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. In these video lessons, we will be discussing the whole novel and all the characters of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Students, you will find easy to write the character sketches of all the characters. So let's begin. This is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, a novel written by Roald Dahl and illustrated by Quentin Blake. You know who I am? I am Mr. Willy Wonka, the most renowned candy maker in the whole world. Let's talk about the characters at first. The main characters of the novel are Mr. Willy Wonka, Charlie, Verica Soft, Mike DeVee, Wallet, their god, Augustus Gloop, Oompa Loompas. Oh, let's talk about me myself first. I'm the most renowned candy maker in the whole world. I own the world's largest chocolate factory. I am old, but filled with boundless energy. I'm charming and insensitive. I open my factory for lucky five if I hand over my gigantic factory to Charlie at the end. I hope you will like my character in the novel. The full character sketch of Mr. Willy Wonka is here, students. Pause the video and read the full character sketch. I hope you will understand my character. Thank you for watching this video, students. In this video, we discussed the character sketch of Mr. Willy Wonka. In the next video, we will be discussing about the character sketch of Charlie and discuss the relatives of the Charlie, his mother, father, parents. So keep an eye out for the next video. I hope you like this video. Have a great day. Bye-bye. For more details, subscribe to our channel or contact us at the email info.radicals@gmail.com. You can also contact us on the Facebook page.